Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Adobe XD for UI design easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Adobe XD. Press enter to navigate to the Adobe XD homepage. Look for the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button. You will be directed to the Adobe sign in page. Enter your Adobe ID or email address in the designated field. Click on the Continue button. If prompted, enter your password in the appropriate field. Click on the Sign In button again. If two-factor authentication is enabled, check your device for the verification code. Enter the verification code in the provided box. Click on the Verify button. Once logged in, you will see your Adobe dashboard. Find and select Adobe XD from the list of applications. The Adobe XD interface will now load on your screen. You are now ready to start designing your user interface. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.